What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add glow to your texts in After Effects. Okay, so first, obviously create a new composition if you haven't already. Now add your text. So for this video, the text is going to be text. Now find the effects and presets. It's usually on the right side. If you can't find it, on the top left bar, click on Window, then Effects and Presets. Now in the Effects and Presets, search for Deep Glow, and then drag it on your text. Now as you can see, glow has been added to our text. You should adjust the radius and exposure yourself because it depends on the lighting of your video. I'm going to add a clip of GTA so I could explain it better to you guys. It's also better to add drop shadow to the text to make it look better. Just make sure you place the drop shadow below the deep glow effect. Personally, this is what I do. I set the opacity to 100%, distance to 0, and softness to 100, but you can adjust these however you like. Then press Ctrl and D to duplicate the drop shadow. Now apply my settings, and again you can choose not to follow these exact settings. Now as you can see, we got a beautiful glowy text with a little bit of shadow that makes it look way better. You know what else can make your text look even way better than this? Subscribing to this channel.